Hey guys, my name is Nick. I'm here with Milos from MyVLMA, and we're here today to go over some hand fighting.
Practice both sides, yes.
Both sides, okay.
Yes. For my arms, yes. Yes, exactly.
Got it.
American football is known for being a close quarter combat system, more or less. These guys are strong, have very vicious and good hand techniques. So we're gonna go through that a little bit, what the kind of techniques they have today and how martial art might help.
Cool. You wanna start with the swim?
Let's go, start with the swim.
The objective of the swim is to get my arm and elbow past you so I can dig into your back, and then once you're there, I'm already behind you.
Okay, and I try to stop you with a push or with a hold,
yes,
okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let's go through that a little bit. Good, okay? So what could be, if I execute this now the way you did it, what would be your defense of it if I start to do the swim?
I would grab your elbow or your armpit and just push you up in here and put my other hand there and push
okay.
you up.
And this is what I see here, that we can adjust a little bit, because the swim and the slap works here and it works here. But on this way here, on this timeline or way, I have a weakness because I'm totally exposed where he can just lift me up, okay? And let's go through that fast, and you try to do it fast, okay? He just threw me out of the picture, okay? Now, I'm just gonna do what I do fast and you be fast, okay?
Got it.
Okay, so what is the point here? I don't want to slap him, and of course the idea is to pass very close to his ear. But I'm still lifting my elbow, I'm exposed, so he has a very easy target and job to do something, okay? Because we're doing it slow, but these guys are fast in all motions. My point is here, if I do the slap here, so my hand goes this way anyway, I don't want to go next to his ear, I want to pass my wrist, this wrist pass with this wrist. So I want to replace this wrist, and the moment I start, that's gonna be the pop in the back, okay? So it's here. Can you explain how this feels for you?
It closes my opening. I don't have an opening anymore to counter this.
Yeah, okay. So let's do it the other way around. You're gonna do this to me with the swim, okay?
So you want me to start with the...
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Try to be faster, please. Okay. So now, try to replace your front wrist with the back arm. How do you feel about that?
It feels quicker, and it feels like I have more control over where exactly I'm placing my elbow.
So guys, close quarter combat is all about efficiency, and in Wing Chun, we don't like to retreat our front arm to make this little space. So when I engage with my back arm, I always want to replace my first wrist. Why? Because that's my scope. Okay?
Yes.
So whenever I'm here somewhere, you have your guard up, please. I'm here. I don't want to do this, because now you can readjust. I want to do this. So now with the swim movement is when I'm here and I go in, I want to replace my hand here, not here, because if it works, it works, okay? It's not that it's not working, it's working. But we are talking about slight improvements. If this guy is quick, well-trained, I don't give him opportunities here, okay? So that's the swim. Do you like it?
It definitely works. It seems like it's closes the opportunity to get exposed and get beat off that.